In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync contacts in Zoho campaigns. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll understand exactly where to go and what to click so your contact list is always up to date and ready for your email campaigns. First, open your browser and log into your Zoho Campaigns account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your starting point for managing all your email marketing activities, and it's where you can access your campaigns, reports, and of course, your contacts. From the dashboard, look for the section or menu labeled Contacts. This is usually found in the main navigation bar at the top or along the left-hand side, depending on your layout or any updates Zoho may have made. Go ahead and click on Contacts. This will take you to the area where all of your subscribers and contact lists are managed. On the Contacts page, you'll see an overview of your existing contacts and lists. This might include different segments, mailing lists, and any previously imported or synced data. At the top right, or near the header section of this page, you should see an option labeled Add New. This button is your gateway for bringing new people into your Zoho Campaigns account, either manually via import or by syncing from another source. Click on Add New. When you do, Zoho will present several ways to add contacts. Since we're focusing on syncing, we're interested in the option that lets Zoho automatically pull contacts from another platform or integrated service, rather than you having to upload a file each time. In the Add New menu, look for the option called Sync. This is specifically designed for ongoing automated updates between Zoho campaigns and your other contact sources. Go ahead and click on Sync. Once you select this, Zoho will guide you through choosing where you want to sync contacts from, such as a CRM, or another integrated application, and how you want that sync to behave. At this point, you would typically follow the on-screen prompts to configure the sync settings, choose the list you want to sync into, and define whether it should be a one-time or recurring sync. Make sure you review each setting carefully so your contacts stay clean and organized. And that's it. You've navigated to Zoho Campaigns, opened the contacts area, chosen to add new entries, and selected the sync option so Zoho can automatically keep your contact list updated for future campaigns.